day, my friends. Good day. I'm here again to emphasize on how to trade properly because my concern is just that a lot of people are blowing their accounts, they are losing their hard-earned money, and I just feel pain because they are not doing the right thing. And if I know the right thing, this is the only channel I feel like I used to give out what I know. And there is no odd. I have done so many strategies. Over 15 years in trading is not a child's play. So there is nothing you're doing I have not tested it. And I have come to realize this is the only way to become profitable. This is the only way to cut the journey short. There is no way to telling you different things to do. If only whatever strategy you are using to get 50%, if you infuse this weekly pattern into what you are doing, you are going to increase your win rate is going to go over 90%. In a weekly pattern, you must not identify only wage pattern. In a weekly pattern, we have the double top, the double bottom, the head and shoulder. Anyone that goes well with your strategy, you infuse that into your strategy, and you're going to have a very high win rate. Okay, like this is British pound USD. Okay, this is a wage pattern. So imagine that you took a sell from here, you would have made profit. Okay, and at this point, the market has given you what they call. At this point, the market is reversing. We have our exit strategy. If you come to a 4-hour time, you are going to see that the market refused, forming what they call a lower high, a lower high, a lower high. Rejected the high, form tested, couldn't form a lower high again, couldn't form the lower high again. This is the clear reversal point. So by that time you book your profit. Okay, the market is going up. Market broke out of the wage pattern level. Okay, resistance. You come here, you're going to see it. It has broken out of the wage pattern resistance. So market is heading up. So what you need to do is to wait for a pullback and continue trading up. It's as simple as that. Okay, now if you come to British pound AUD, now the market, imagine that, let's see here, imagine that you book your profit here, you would have made money, you'd have made money. At this point the market reverse, you're going to see what they call, market will refuse to form what they call a lower low. Okay, market hits it, keep coming down, creating a lower low, a lower low, a lower low, a lower low, a lower low. Can you see, you rejected the low, couldn't create a lower low, you book your profit and market reverse back. Okay, it's as simple as that. Now the market is going back towards the wedge pattern resistance, and you wait for it to get there and see what it's going to do. If it breaks out, wait for a pullback to continue going to up. Okay, it's as simple as that. I'm not saying you must trade what I trade. What I'm trading is that the strategy I'm trading today is something I was doing blindly, and it was giving me 60-70%. But when I learned this wedge pattern, that it actually guides me towards the direction to trade, my winning rate increased over 90%. Okay, now the market is heading towards a wedge pattern resistance. I have to wait. Okay, now I would have taken a sell, I would have taken a buy, sorry, if the market got to these points. Okay, the support of the wedge pattern, the market actually got to support of the wedge pattern and begins to give form. I would have taken a buy, put my stop loss below the wedge pattern support, and as it gets to this point, I book a sell. But now the market reverse at the middle, I have to wait for it to get here and see what it's going to do, right? So it's just like a compass, all right? So that's just how it is. So whatever strategy you are using today, make sure you infuse the weekly pattern into it. This is just what, how did I manage to know this? I keep asking myself, how are these hedge funds able to be so confident? You know what it means to be confident? To get people's money, public fund, to trade for them, that be confident they are going to generate profit. That means they know what you don't know. That means they know what, there'll be something giving them this confidence that they are going to win. So when I began to research, begin to add the puzzle together, I began to, from the interview, almost all of them are just talking about patterns. they trade patterns, they infuse patterns into the AI, and when the AI spots it on the monitor, it gives them an alarm, and that's what they trade. And they are confident that these things win all the time. So I began to look into pattern, and when I began to look into pattern, I realized that the weekly pattern is very consistent. The weekly pattern is all you need to be profitable, right? So Anna infused into my strategy, and it has been really good. So I want you to do that, and begin to increase your win rate. Okay, so that's just how it is. I just thought I should bring, since you are going into a new week of trading, whatever strategy you are using, infuse the weekly pattern into your strategy. If there is something you want me to talk about, if there is something you want me to emphasize on, if there is something you want me to teach on this subject, you put a comment on the comment section. My next video will be on that. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.